Hello everyone. Today I will guide you how to command group. To command group, we can do so from the main interface of the software. Click on our marketing section. We can see command group. Click on command group and set up the configuration. First of all, we will choose content. If you haven't have content, we will click on content management section to create new content. Click on add category to create the new category and click on add content. We can add the content with status or content with image. So choose the category here. Enter the title, enter the content, and choose image to create content and save the content. After we created the content, click on choose content here. Click on the category and load the contents here. We will click on the content we want to comment and save it and set up the number of threads concurrently. Each according to our devices. I will set up 8 threads. So which account, if errors occur, we will set up if default 10 times. Maximum comments per account, we will set up 3 to 5 groups. And each group comments maximum 3 to 5 posts. Determined up to interactions, we will set up default 15 to 20 seconds. Comment. Click here to comment by group. ID list. I will guide you how to scan group ID. Open UID software. First of all, we will add account here. We will add 2 or 3 accounts. Select category, choose format, and say save the account. Click on after we add accounts. So click on scan data groups. We can see scan groups by keywords. Enter the keyword related to our need or our requirement and choose category here. Set the number of groups. We can set up 100, 200, 500, or 1000 is independent on your need. And after set up the configuration, press start to run the feature. After we have the data, so we will press stop and export to Excel. Save the Excel file and we will open the Excel file. So first of all, we will filter the uncensored group. Click short and filter and to filter the uncensored group. And so after that, we will click on the group UID, copy the group UID, and paste here. So if you want to allow duplicate groups to comment between account, click here and click here to allow guest commented content and wait for the image to upload. Set up 3 seconds. After we set up the configuration, so choose the category and load the pause. So press start to run the feature. And this is the result after the software works.